Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to disable margin on Interactive Brokers using the Client Portal. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and log into Client Portal. You'll find the Portal Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password when prompted, and you'll land on your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the message or notification icon. This opens the Message Center, where you communicate securely with client services. Inside the Message Center, click the Compose button, then select New Ticket. The system will first show you iBot, an automated assistant. Type something like downgrade margin account to cash account in the text field, then look for a button to continue with the ticket to bypass the suggestions and reach the manual ticket form. Now you'll see a drop-down menu to select the issue category. Choose the option that best fits account type changes. Account services is the most relevant category. Once you select it, related subcategories will appear in an adjoining field. Next, find the body or detailed description field. This is where you'll explain your request. Type that you want to downgrade your margin account to a cash account and be specific. Mention that you're requesting to remove margin trading permissions. The field expands as you type. When you're done, click Preview Ticket to review what you've entered. If everything looks good, click Submit Ticket. Your inquiry will appear on the Tickets tab with a reference number and a status of new. From here, monitor the Message Center for a response. The status updates in real time, and responses to inquiries submitted during standard hours generally come back within 24 hours. Before approving the downgrade, client services will review your account to check if you have positions that aren't allowed in cash accounts like short stock or uncovered options, or if you have an outstanding margin loan. If so, they'll ask you to close those positions or deposit funds to cover the loan first. Once approved, your account type will change from margin to cash overnight or within 1 to 2 business days. You'll get confirmation through the Message Center. After the switch, you won't be able to borrow on margin or hold margin required positions. You can verify the change by going to Settings, then Account Configuration, then Account Type in Client Portal. And there we go, margin disabled. Thanks for watching. See you next time.